Hi everyone, how is going? I hope everything well and let's do it something today. After a while, I'm recording a class, maybe almost 2 or 3 months. I don't know actually, but don't worry, I'm back and now from today I will share with you lots of class free. I also will launch our second course. So obviously I will start something new for you everyone. Obviously. So let's talk about this class. Sector wide, this channel already are getting views. They are not consistent, but upload the last video 6 months ago, and then I think they got views recently. Then they start uploading, and the channel is good. Everything is good, scripting, visual, and each and everything. It's amazing, man. Okay, so first I'll share with you the template. I just made the template. Look at that. It's template. You have to add character, gender, what types character you need, action, and lots of things. But main thing is like this one, this line, the ultra realistic 3D cinematic. This line is main, and then this those are main. And the negative prompt you have to add optional camera. You can do example just I do and prompt this prompt you can use this prompt as a reference prompt. And then here is some authentic real story, not a AI made story, though an idea just to start. You can start a channel with those ideas, help of those ideas, because if you check their channel, the last four video they are uploaded, those videos are actually real. I mean the real story, because if you upload those title on ChatGPT, they will, I mean if you write those title on ChatGPT will say you that those stories authentic and real, because look at their bio, authentic history. Okay, so that's why I chose this niche for you. You can do, because history niche are evergreen content. You know what? Because people loves history niche. Hundred of channel are available on YouTube. The niche is history actually. So still, if you represent your content the right way, you will get views. Obviously, look at this channel, and then 20 videos. I think they upload also shorts. Yes, shorts are not actually working, but uh, views is good. Okay, so how you can do? For example, I added to a 10, a 15 real story. It's a good story. You know what? So my teaching methods, like I'm using AI tools. I mean, my teaching method is simple. I will give you the template. This template will help you to create a content without any problem, without any issue, because this prompt template actually made for you just to create a content, and you don't need to spend too much on creating a content. Okay, so let's do it. First you need an idea. I know if I share this class, I will maybe I will get 100k plus views. Obviously I will get, but those people the start this 15 content, so it will become too much saturated. So how you can replace this content and you can work actually right way? So first we need a topics. So I will copy those topics. You have to do same thing. Go to ChatGPT, paste here. So there's are there you have to say, right, like there's are real authentic story, history, real story, real war story. So I need more authentic story like that, authentic story like that, and target one things like target one things you can follow. World War Two. Target one things. Target one World War. So you will choose World War Two, World War One, World War One. Okay, let's see we have story or not. On the story, human small scale war stories, real feeling, low competition. Here you go. No hype, no fantasy, real war story, video title, authentic. So I have to recheck, is that authentic real story or just AI made? Look at that. I got almost 20 plus real story. Because we need a first idea, then we will create a script, then we'll create a voice, then we'll create a visual, then we will edit the video, then export, then complete our process. So I have to be confirm, is that real story, is that real or AI made? Let me clear. Short answer, the title are written, but story or point are real. What is AI made? The title themselves, the wording, structure, hook. I wrote the story title, not copied from specific book or archive. What is real? Every title is based on real world war condition, fronts, and documented events. Lost patrols. So it's like 50-50. Real story based AI story. Okay, because World War One, I think we have no, don't have we have no story like in our history. So we can do, because if 50 100% historical accurate experience describe the soldier diaries, letters, and unit reports. Got it. We can work with this content. I mean, with this idea. So I will choose this one first. And by the way, this 15 story, uh, authentic real story. You know what? This 15 story, I mean 15 title, you will see in this template. So you can work, if you rewrite this title with unique way, you can work with those script idea, I mean story idea. So we have in our title, okay, we have title, past, or first story, copy. Now we will create a script. So you can create a script for a minute, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It's up to you, but right now I will create 1 minute video because I have to show you faster. Otherwise the scar class will become too much lengthy. Okay, the lost in the fog in the Oregon, the petrol that never returned. So I will write here. So I need a script, 1 minute, and story will be human rights, English, just shortcut from English, simple, just like human scriptwriter. Start the story with something unique, unique to attract the the attract the audience, something unique for, not attract guys, it will be attract the audience. Okay, just 1 minute. You can write 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So now we have got it. Now we have a script. Now we have a script. Okay, save it on your save it, go to 11 labs first. Okay, I have a 11 labs subscription. If you need 11 labs subscription, you can ask on our, you can send a DM. Oh,